New tax laws. What is in it for you? I profitable for me here. Follow me and let's break down the new tax laws and how it personally affects you financially. One, you're enjoying a better and improved tax relief. So if you are low income earner, you earn around 1 million naira annually, no more tax for you. But if you're in the middle class or high class, you're likely going to be paying more tax now. This is the new tax table. Two, broader reporting requirements. So this new tax law expects that you declare your income, all of your income, even though you don't earn them in Nigeria. So if you're a resident of this country, you live in Nigeria right now, but you do remote jobs for companies outside Nigeria and you get paid, or you are a freelancer, maybe probably you work on Upwork and all of those things, you'll be expected to pay tax now, like you have to declare your income. I don't think you can be caught. Remember all of these platforms like Pioneer and the rest, before you get paid, you probably request for your BVN and all. So right now it can be traced. With your BVN, you can be traced by the government. So before that, they expect that you declare every income you make within and outside the country. Another thing is that it might be mandatory for you to get your tax identification number now. See, tax identification number. And in fact, it may even get to a point where banks may require them, just like how we are required to submit our NIN address in the bank. Your tax identification number may be a requirement even to hold a bank account now. This fourth one is for my guys that like mixing business with pleasure. So you run a business and there's no difference between your personal account and your business account. Everything enters your personal account. All your business income enters your personal account. So right now the banks may be required to submit to the government accounts that maybe pass a particular treasury. I think 50 million right now. Maybe accounts that are personal account that have a number of 50 million right there will be asked to be submitted to the government by the banks. So all of this is just for the government to track all your activities financially, to track your activities financially. So imagine you don't head up to that personally, that's not your income, but somehow that is lying in your account and you have somehow categorized as high income earners. Do you understand? So if you own a business and you are running your business with your personal account, I think it's time for you to get your business account. And no more VAT, no more VAT on essentials like food, rent, public transport, and all of that. They are now VAT exempt. You don't have to pay value-added tax on all of those things again. Take note that crypto and then NFTs and all of those digital assets, they are now taxable. Yes, capital gains on them you pay now, just like on your shares and all of that. You pay your capital gains on your digital assets, including cryptocurrencies. Last one has always been there, but I think now the government is encouraging it more, and that is you declaring your annual income, like declaring your filing your annual returns. Now, yeah, it is common among salary earners. The employers do it for them from time to time, maybe yearly now. But right now, maybe you're a freelancer, you're a remote worker, whatever you do, you have to actually declare your income, like declare how much you paid on a yearly basis. You should do number one, get your TIN, your TIN, your tax identification number. Then number two, check if your income falls between the range that is tax exempt. Are you tax exempt now? Then declare all your side hustles, all your additional income, your digital assets, and all of that. Budget your tax payment accordingly. Check what you need to pay now, then incorporate that in your budget. Then lastly, make sure that your business and your personal finance is not mixing together. Like there's a significant difference between the way you account for your personal finance and business finance. So what I'm trying to say is that if you are running a business and all your income is going to your personal account, I think this is the time where you have to open your own business account. All of this implementation starts 1st January 2026. So please plan accordingly. Then follow up them for me for more financial tips and updates.